Okay, this is part 3. This is the end of the test. This is Saturday, August 20th. It's about 3:05 in the morning, somewhere around there. Alright, we're going to catch the end of this test and then flip over the sample. Oh, we gotta make 300. Maybe, maybe not. Should be winding down. Yes, it looks like we might. This was just a normal, quick downpour. No thunder, no lightning. First rain we've had in a few days. The background inside and outside I took this afternoon were 3 or 4 counts above normal activity. So something was a little active in the air today, more than normal. Okay, we have it, 328.7. Alright, now I'm going to take her off. And you can see the clicks are about gone. Now I'm going to take the sample. Flip it over. Down there, you bugger. Okay, pat that down. There's the plate, nothing there. You just use that to brace. Let me just redo this. 328.7. Let me get a pencil. $328.7. Alright, let's go back. Alright, we're going to do another 10 on the other side. Okay. This is the flip side. This is test 2. This is the flip side of the same napkin. It's approximately 3:10 a.m. Saturday the 20th, August. I got this off of wherever I could find rain on the hood of the car and some of the body, because it evaporated very, very rapidly because it's very, very warm outside. I was lucky enough to get out there in time to at least get some rainwater. Alright, I'll shut it down and come back halfway.